Hi students, now MCQ number 5. The current I flowing in a coil varies with the time as shown below. The variation of the induced EMF with the time would be, that is, the graph indicates the instantaneous current with respect to time. So at various instants, at the time t equal to 0, current is 0. At a time t equal to 1/4 of a period, that is t by 4, the current has reached the maximum value. From t by 4th to t by 2, the current remains constant. Then t by 2 to 3t by 4, the current has decreased. Okay? So in a coil, we have studied what is meant by self-induction. So when a current flowing through a coil changes with time, an opposing EMF will be induced. So here the equation, the induced EMF or the back EMF is given by minus L into di by dt, or the self-induced EMF or back EMF is proportional to minus of di by dt. So there is a negative sign here. That means whenever the current is increasing with time, understand, increasing with time, an EMF will be induced, but the EMF will be negative. Current is increasing means EMF will be negative. Then when the current is constant, there is no variation in the current, so EMF will be 0. Next, when the current decreases with time, okay, when the current decreases with the time means then once again the EMF will be positive. So here EMF will be negative, here EMF will be 0, and due to this variation the EMF will be positive. So which of these 4 graphs will be correct? The first itself, you see here the EMF is negative during the interval 0 to t by 4. So from this equation you see when the current increases, then EMF will be negative, back EMF. Then t4th to t by 2. Here there is no variation in current, so EMF will be 0. And again here when the current decreases, the EMF will be positive. So this option, okay, option A is the correct answer. So this type of diagrammatic questions and all, you will have to think and you have to choose the option, because sometimes they may confuse you, is it not? So this is the correct option. I hope you must have understood it fine.